Intro music fades in and out. Are you tired of your dash cam only protecting your car when you're actually driving? What about those vulnerable hours when your vehicle is parked, sitting idle, a potential target for bumps, scrapes, or worse? If you want ultimate 24/7 peace of mind for your ride, then you absolutely need to see this. The ROVE Ultimate Dash Cam Hardwire Kit with USB-C port. This isn't just an accessory. It's an essential upgrade for your ROVE R2-4K, R2-4K Pro, R2-4K Dual, R2-4K Dual Pro, or R3 camera. Let's dive into why this kit is a game changer, starting with its most powerful feature, uninterrupted 24/7 parking monitoring. Your compatible ROVE dash cam already has an incredible parking monitor feature, but it needs constant power to work. This hardwire kit delivers exactly that, directly connecting to your car's fuse box. Imagine, your dash cam is always on guard, diligently recording any impact or motion around your vehicle, even when you're not there. This means if someone dings your door, attempts to break in, or even tries a hit and run in the parking lot, your ROVE dash cam will capture the evidence. This isn't just about security. It's about safeguarding your insurance claims and protecting your investment. And don't worry about your car battery. The kit includes low voltage protection, automatically cutting power if your car battery gets too low, ensuring you can always start your engine. Next up, let's talk about aesthetics and functionality. The clean, professional installation. I know many of you are tired of unsightly wires dangling from your dashboard, snaking across your console, and occupying your precious 12V car charger port. This hardwire kit solves all of that. It connects directly to your car's fuse box, completely hiding all the cables neatly out of sight. No more messy wires, no more USB chargers hogging your power outlets. You get a sleek, factory-installed look that elevates your car's interior, all while keeping your dash cam powered discreetly and reliably. It's the kind of subtle upgrade that makes a huge difference in your daily driving experience. Now, you might be thinking, hardwiring sounds complicated, right? Well, not with ROVE. This is truly a complete dash cam hardwiring kit designed for easy DIY installation. ROVE understands that not everyone is a car electrician, which is why they've included everything you need right in the box. All necessary fuse taps, a handy voltmeter, and other essential components. You won't be scrambling to find extra parts. But it gets even better. The kit comes with a beautifully written, step-by-step user manual. And if you prefer visuals, ROVE also provides easy-to-follow how-to videos. This means even if you've never hardwired anything before, you can confidently install this kit yourself, saving you time and money on professional installation fees. It's designed to empower you to take control of your car's security. So if you own a compatible ROVE dash cam, that's the R2-4K with USB-C, R2-4K Pro, R2-4K Dual, R2-4K Dual Pro, or the R3, then upgrading to this hardwire kit is a no-brainer. It delivers unparalleled 24/7 parking surveillance, a clean, integrated look, and an incredibly straightforward installation process. Don't leave your car vulnerable for a second longer. Elevate your dash cam experience and gain true peace of mind. Ready to protect your vehicle around the clock? Find the link to the ROVE Ultimate Dash Cam Hardwire Kit in the description below to get yours today. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button.